The Senior Special Assistant to the President on National Assembly Matters, Senate, Senator Ita Enang, speaks on the National Minimum Wage Bill, which President Buhari has just assented to.
On behalf of Nigerian workers, His Excellency President Muhammadu Buhari has assented to the Minimum Wage Repeal and Reenactment Act 2019. This makes it compulsory for all employers of labor in Nigeria to pay to their workers the sum of 30,000 naira. And this excludes persons who are employing less than 25 workers, persons who work in a ship which sail out of jurisdiction, and other persons who are in other kinds of regulated employment. Employment which are accepted by the Act. Now, it also gives the workers the right, if you are compelled by any circumstance, to accept salary that is less than 30,000, for you to sue your employer to recover the balance, and authorizes the Minister of Labor and any person nominated by the Minister of Labor or any person designated by the Minister of Labor in any ministry, department, or agency to, on your behalf, take action in your name against such employer to recover what the balance of your wages. It also ensures and mandates the National Salaries, Incomes and Wages Commission and the Minister of Labor to be the chief and principal enforcers of the provisions of this law. And this law applies to all agencies and persons and bodies throughout the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The effective date is 18th of April 2019, as Mr. President has assented to. It has been assented to today, and it takes effect today, except such other provisions as are contained in the Act. But the enforcement and the right to start the implementation of the provisions commences today, including such steps that are to be taken gradually under the provisions of the Act. I want Nigerian workers to celebrate President Muhammadu Buhari, to support this administration, support his policies, and of course, we will, as a government, go out and march together and along with Nigerian workers on Workers' Day. Mr. President will celebrate, and this government will celebrate. This is Mr. President's action showing workers the love he has for workers, and we're marching as we'll march with